let us see question number first, that is filling the blanks. So first question, that is damaged seeds would float on top of the water. The next question, that is fourth one, that is dash is used for commercial production of alcohol and wine. So what will be the answer? Yeast. Seventh one, dash is a smallest unit of an element. So what is the answer? Atom. Then the eighth one, that is zinc is more active than iron. Then 13th one, the dash is made up of smoke and fog. So what is it? Smog. Then the 15th one, that is plastic polythene bags are bio non-degradable type of pollutants. Then next question, that is true or false. In that the second one, yeast and mold are one type of algae. So what is your answer? False. Bluegill algae can be able to fix atmospheric nitrogen into the soil. So the answer is true. Then the sixth one, bromine is a liquid metal. So what will be the answer? False. The next question, that is it is advisable to use lead containing petrol in vehicles. That is answer is false. Then next, that is last one, 12th one, water looking clean and transparent is suitable for drinking. So what is your answer? False. Then students, question number 3 and question number 4, that is define the following terms and differentiate between the following terms. You are going to do it by your own from the textbook. In question number 4, that is differentiate. For each question you can write at least 2 points for differentiate. Then come to question number 5, that is answer the following questions in one word. So in that, the first question, that is how are metals in appearance? So what is your answer? Lustrous. Second question, that is what is produced when sulfur react with oxygen? So that is sulfur dioxide gas. Then which chemical is responsible for ozone hole? So which is that chemical? CFCs. Then seventh one, that is name a man-made fiber which is made without using natural raw material. So what is the answer? Nylon. Then ninth one, which bacteria may get killed if antibiotics taken unnecessarily? So what is the answer? Beneficial bacteria. Then 11th one, which tool used to harvest crop with hand? So what is the answer? Sickle. Then 17th one, metal used for making electric wires, that is which are those metals? Aluminium and copper. So in this other questions you are going to find out from your textbook. Okay, then next question, that is question number 6. In this you are going to write down answer in 1 to 2 sentences. So this you will get it in your textbook. Okay. Then the ninth question, that is classification into natural fertilizer and chemical fertilizer. And question number 10, that is draw nitrogen cycle. 2 more questions you are going to add, that is what is greenhouse effect and gases responsible for it. And then last question, that is write down the different ways in which water gets contaminated. So students, you are going to attempt this worksheet and write down this answer in your notebook. Bye. See you.